since I upgraded my 5-inch to the 8.4-inch, I still don't have a backup camera that came with the car. It's a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. So I got the Pac, I believe it's the BCI-CH41. This pretty much allows me to have a backup camera with any aftermarket backup camera. So these are I just purchased a random backup camera from eBay, wired it, put it in their bag. I'm gonna just install these. So pretty much this BCI system allows me to connect the third-party system versus spending a whole lot of money for the OEM stock version. That's like $500-600 $1,000 and wire it. This one costed me about $30, $20-30 for the backup camera with the wiring. And at the time when I bought this, which was 2 years ago, I think I got it for like $150 or $130 for the BCI, the Pac BCI kit. This is also a good kit if you're an off-roader and you have like a Wrangler or a Jeep Grand Cherokee 4x4, whatever, or even one of the trucks, and you want to add additional cameras to the stock one. This also allows you to add about 3 or 4 cameras. Like if you're towing a trailer, you can add an additional camera, or if you're off-roading and you want to put a camera in the front of the car just to see when you tip over, I guess, type of thing. I forgot what the word is, but if you want to get that, this enables you to get all these switches and be able to enable all these cameras, and be using it. So it's pretty cool. So now I'm gonna hook this up and hopefully it works. Pretty much there's gonna be instructions. I just recommend you follow the instructions that Pac has. You're essentially just gonna plug it in. So plug in to the cable that says camera, and then program model 1, which is the activation of the rear camera power, and that's it. And then everything else is just a plug in to the stock system and the stock harness, and that's it. So let's see if it works. All right, so everything's working fine now. I installed a third-party camera. Like I said, you guys saw the BCH41, whatever it is, the Pac one. I'll put the picture here. I use a third-party backup camera because my car didn't come with one, but it works fine with just this one too. So that's kind of cool that everything's working fine. And yeah, it's cool because everything's working now.